Add a plane under the default cube, then scale it up so that the cube does not appear to be floating. Change to the Cycles Render engine for more realistic shadows. Press F12 to see what the scene looks like. A simple change to the light's color makes the scene even more realistic. Change the render slot for next time. Close the render preview with the Escape key. Select the light and press Shift F3 to go to the object's material. Select Use Nodes. Type Shift A and search for the blackbody node. Optionally hold the Control key to align to grid. Left-click to place node. You may reposition a node by selecting it and typing G. Connect the output of the first node to the input of the second node. Render the image with F12. It looks way too orange for a natural feeling. Change the blackbody temperature to 8000 kelvins. Re-render the image with F12. Compare this new render with the former. You can do this by using the 1 and 2 at the top of your keyboard. Increase the render samples and render size for a clearer image. You can return to the 3D viewport by closing the render preview and then typing Shift F5. Here, you can also increase the light radius for softer shadows. An example for radius of 0.25 meters.